Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a good day. In this particular video, we're going to talk about my version of orthon effect. Let's jump into the tutorial right now. First of all, I have a photograph ready. In order to do this effect, you have to make sure that you already done your primary adjustment and correction. Then you bring it over to Affinity Photo or Photoshop, because this tutorial works for Photoshop and Affinity Photo. Now, we are going to go Control J to duplicate this layer, and if you're in Mac, Command J, you go to Filter, Add Blur, Gaussian Blur, and for my technique, I like to stay around 23 to 25%. So we're gonna stop at about 23% pixels, then click Apply, make sure you lock it, change the blend mode to Screen. So this is the classic orthon effect, which is widely used for landscape and portrait photography. You can stop it here right now if you're already happy with this result, but I have few techniques in my sleeve. I'm going to show you right now. So our next step would be going to level, adjustment layer, then levels, add about 26 to 27% of black and about 50% of the white. So that should be fine. Then I'm going to turn it off. You can already see the photo looks super ugly. So that's fine. We're going to fix it in the next step. So we're going to lock it with our previous layer at the bottom. You can already see that it's already been changed. Now, fun part is you can play with the opacity. For example, I'm going to go all the way 0, then add just enough to feel this atmospheric glow, but not too much to ruin the photograph. So this is already good enough, but I have one more technique in my sleeve. Let's jump in right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the rectangle tool, add a white fill layer. Doesn't matter if it's white or black, we are not worried about the color here. That's fine. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to change the blend mode to saturation. Do you see what just happened? The photo looks completely oversaturated. So you have technique number 1, which is if you change to 100%, it becomes a black and white glow effect, which one of my favorite. So that's one technique. Technique number 2 is to bring it back to 50%, go to the layer opacity, bring it down to about 16. So not too saturated, just a little bit of saturation. Now check this out. I'm going to put them in the group. Control G, that is before, and that's after. Now you learn how to make your photograph look even better. If this tutorial is useful to you, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.